Welcome, everyone! As we're waiting for commencement to get started, we wanted to give you a quick run-through on how to make the most of this shared experience.
We are here to tell you everything you need to know. Check out this whiteboard.
First, we're using the hashtag YUGrad20 to share our content. Take pictures of you and your family celebrating, watching together, and make sure to share with the hashtag YUGrad20.
Second, throughout commencement, you'll be able to interact with what you're seeing using these cool, custom-made emojis located underneath your screen. Make sure to react and show your love. Give it a shot.
Third, make sure to stay on the site after commencement concludes to see additional content, including pictures and videos of all the graduates.
Wait, hold on. It looks like we're getting zoombombed.
Yeshiva University class of 2020, this is truly a year in which the world turned upside down. As you go forward into the world, I hope you remember the incredible experience and education you got here in our neighborhood of Washington Heights, New York. We hope you pay that forward and continue to provide this neighborhood, which has provided you with so much, with good works for the rest of your life. Now let's get this party started. The Yeshiva University 89th annual commencement exercises are starting right now. L'chaim!